So we're gonna see which one this is. This one is a shower cream, this one is Glide On, and this is my infamous Hard Wax Beach. I'm still gonna purchase this just because that's gonna be a secondary one. I already tried this, it doesn't give me the best results that I wanted. So I'll just try this one, see how it goes. Yeah, time to go. See the magic shave that was recommended. Hiya, it's your girl Queen Rebel. So as you can see, I already got one leg down. We're gonna be trying this Nair shower cream, hair remover, natural coconut oil and vitamin E, gentle on skin, smooth skin for days, dermatologist tested. Sensitive formula, I do have sensitive skin. So this one pretty much, you don't need a blade, you just apply it on. For legs, arms, underarms, and bikini area, not for use on face. So let's do the other leg. We're not gonna rub in, and I'm just gonna apply it downwards. We have a tendency to rub things in. Doing that like this. I'm only just doing my legs, and of course my bikini area. But we're gonna do the legs first. Today this is still there. So we got both legs mirrored up right now. I'm just gonna go ahead and see how this turns out. We're gonna wait first before we do the bikini area, because right now I feel the coolness. It smells really good. It doesn't have that nasty Nair smell. I'm just gonna wash this off and I'm gonna hit you guys back up. I'm gonna be right back. Right after I wash my hands, it does have that Nair smell. Yeah, y'all know what Nair smelled like back then. I smell it now. So, ooh, it smells so bad. It smells so bad. It smells, no, before you apply it onto your skin, it smells good. But after you wash it off, I smell the Nair. All right, you guys, so we're in the bathtub. I already damped it up, but let's try this. I let mine sit a bit longer because I have thicker hair and it is coming off. Like, it does not hurt. I'm literally just rubbing my hair off my body. I don't have to do no wax. So, do this right quick. I'm gonna take a shower afterwards. It is definitely coming off. It don't hurt any of my scars. It's not giving me skin irritation. It literally just rubbed right off. If you guys see, I know it has like a little bit of hair left over, but it's a review. We're seeing. That was always there, but it did not irritate my little scar that I had. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and put some Nair down there, and this should be good. Because I already went ahead and trimmed the hair. It has some length to it. It's been a while. I'm not gonna lie. So I'm gonna apply the Nair down here. And we're just gonna glide it downwards. Do not rub it in, do not rub. We do not rub Nair on our body, don't do that. Let me see what could happen. Don't be that dumb person, please don't. Don't be that dumb energy. We don't need no more dumb energy. Am I nervous? Not at all. I've been using Nair since I was in high school. Of course, I'm not going around the sensitive areas. Again, my hair is really thick, which applies more cream. See, I applied some down there. I'm not playing. I am not playing, okay? Sexual energy needs to be released, and me, my buff day need to be clean. You know, so I'm gonna have to get some wine. Gotta set the mood, cause you never know. We've all been waiting for to see if this is gonna be a pain-free experience. The crazy thing is, it's actually coming off. I didn't even ball out. I didn't scream. I didn't clench my teeth. My toes didn't curl. Oh my god, I'm getting excited. Maybe it's the wine, I don't know, but I'm getting excited. Of course, down there, like closer to the anus, because that's a sensitive area. You don't really want to put Nair over there. That's a no. We don't want to do that. That's still a sensitive area. To be honest, I'd rather just wax down there. It's gonna be painful. We gotta take care of ourselves. The thing is, I'm wiping horizontal just because I see where the hair is going. As I'm rubbing off, like I said in the past, Nair did have like a burning sensation for me, so I used to stay away from it and just go straight to Veet if I was interested in any type of cream. They didn't have a cream for Veet. Well, they do. I just don't like it. It smells good, and it takes about 2 or 3 applications to go ahead and take it off. This one took 1 with a couple of wipes, but at least it was just 1 cream glide. Y'all know my waxing days are over, right? Oh, I bought the wax. I'm gonna return that shit. Oh no, wait, I need the wax because I gotta wax my... I gotta wax down there. That'll be some other day because it ain't gonna catch me hollering and screaming. It's too hot for that. So right now, my both baby have a little mohawk, but I'm telling you, bro, like I can do this without looking because I already know. I already wipe off the hair, and all I'm doing is a cleanup. This shit looks nice. It looked like a professional did it. Me, I only started doing this because during the pandemic, I was still getting some, it was still hot outside. I still needed to move around. I was still wearing my bikinis, you know. I'm definitely satisfied. I'm happy. Like, I'm really, really happy that I actually found something that does not hurt. Bro, this was amazing. Nice and clean. Don't even hurt. Don't burn. Please always make sure you guys, I've had this for over, I don't know, 3 years. It's the best thing ever. Ingrown. The only time I had an ingrown is when I happened to pull the wrong way. That's about it. But this is good. My oil after removing hair. That pores. I feel like a little burning right here, which is fine. It's no biggie because there's really nothing there, but you know, you might feel like something because I have really sensitive skin. If you don't have sensitive skin, that's good. I was really worried about my spider bite, but it seemed to survive through it, you know. Didn't get affected at all. No burning, no irritation. So that's a plus for me. This has been a fun experience for me. I decided to do my armpits and then we'll go from there because I'm feeling pretty amazing right now and it's 91 degrees outside. All right, so let's just wipe this one down. And we're just gonna wipe down. Wipe. Weird. In a weird angle, but I'm wiping down and it's wiping off. And it's not irritating my armpits. I don't have to walk around like this. Like, it is not irritable and I'm wiping down hard. Even when I wipe down hard, it's not giving me any irritation. So I enjoy the product. It's definitely well worth it. If you guys could see, the pum pum look nice. It's nice and clean. Have a little bit of a mohawk, but it's all right. The legs is good. I have a little skin irritation down near my ankle, but that's fine. It's not like really like bad and annoying me. So it feels good. I enjoy the product. So all I have to do is just wax all the way down there, which will be a different day, because I feel good right now. So I hope you guys really do enjoy this vlog. Shower cream is not something I was expecting. I was actually looking for the magic shave powder. Could not find that at Walmart. All I found was shaving cream. So I'm glad I stumbled upon this. And it only costs like $9.67, 10 bucks. That's good, because I still have a lot of cream left. All right, you guys. Stay blessed and respect, y'all. Bye. Is that my armpits are actually itching me right now, and it's making me nervous because it's hot and sweating outside. I mean, I'm gonna be sweating like a lot, and I'm trying not to scratch it, but it's itching me. I think I'm gonna put some deodorant on because I was trying to wait a while before I do that. It's not a specific deodorant. This is the one that I use. It was not a good selection to use. My armpits are burning the fuck out of me, and I'm about to lose my shit. I think I'm about to just go ahead and make me some coffee because it's itching me a lot.